Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel, Cloud Thinking. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you like watching these tutorial videos, and let's go ahead and get started. In today's video, I'm going to continue on with Microsoft Office applications. Today's video, we're going to do how to open a file. So you can easily locate and open existing document spreadsheets and presentation files using different methods within Microsoft Office. This is very simple, and there are a lot of capabilities that permit you to open different documents in different locations, whether on your PC or different shared areas that you utilize. So what you first want to do is, within an open document window, select File. Alright, then you're going to select Open. And when you come to the next page, you're going to have several options to choose from. So you can simply open recent documents. As you can see here, it will have a list of recently viewed documents and edited documents that you have worked on. This provides a really fast way to just grab a document that you've previously worked on, open it up, and continue on working. You can open shared documents. So this is if you're collaborating with someone. So you can open files within OneDrive. This is a great location. Of course, you'll have to be signed in for this, which means you will need to have a Microsoft account. And if you don't, go ahead and look down below. I'll post a link on how to create that Microsoft account. You can open files located at your sites. So if you have websites, documents on those sites, you can actually link Microsoft Office to it and go ahead and work on documents that are existing at those sites. You can open files located on this PC, which we will discuss more in a minute. This is one of the more popular methods. You can open up files in shared locations, and you can browse for a file, which is another popular method. So this PC, as I said, this is one of the more popular methods to open a file on their PC. So it provides easy access to documents on your desktop or other local locations. Another popular method that I mentioned was to actually browse for the document. So by doing this, you can select Browse, and another additional window will pop up that allows you to go ahead and navigate to the document that you want. You can go to the location. So if you want to go to desktop, you can open that. Select a document, go ahead and click Open, and it will open up. So let's go ahead and take a look at a demonstration. So as you can see here, I have a Word document open, and let's go ahead and walk through the steps. So first, you're going to go to File. Go ahead and select that. You're going to go down to Open. You're going to select that. And again, as I explained, you have several options. Again, you have recent, shared documents that you're collaborating on, your OneDrive files, items located on this PC. You can add another shared location, and you can browse to a file. So in this demonstration, we'll simply go look at my desktop, which we are located here. It's on this PC, desktop, and I'm going to go down to this test document. And again, you can either double click on it or you can select Open. Let's go ahead and select Open, and right here you can see that the test document is now open. And a couple tips. Let's go ahead and close this one. Alright, now we're back to our original document. Let's go back to File, then Open, go down to Browse. Here goes a tip for you. You can actually right click on a document at this point and go in and rename it if you would like. You can also see properties for that document. So it comes in handy if you just need to rename a document from while you're working on another document. This comes in handy if you want to name, if you have two documents that have similar names, you want to name one as Ode if you're working on a new document. Alright, well, that is going to be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, remember, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and I hope you have a good night.